my channel. My name is Michael Odiwa. I want to do a quick video and explain a little bit about 86FB 3% return daily on your investment. Mark me. Now, following what every new member needs to learn about 86FB International. 86FB anti-correct score platform was established in 2015 and has a history of 6 years with markets all over Asia. 86FB is an international platform legally operating enterprise approved by Nigerian government and filled with the industry and commerce. The department pays tax to Nigeria government every year. The purpose of the 86FB platform is to promote football. You know, a lot of people love football. More than 90% of people in the world love football. 86FB uses anti-correct score betting mode. There are 18 points in football games. 1 correct score and 18 wrong score. The chances of winning the correct score is 1/18 ratio. The odds of a wrong score are 17-18. Most people predict the correct score, but the winning rate this way is only 5%. But buying the wrong point has a 90% chance of winning. Anti-correct score buys wrong functions. As long as the purchase score is not the same as the result, it will be profitable. For example, buy in for a 2-1 score. The result of the football match is 1-3 because the score of the purchase is not the same as the result, so profitable. So now I'll be doing, this is my link. My link will be in this description of this video for better understanding, guys. It's a profit calculation. Follow the capital preservation plan every day. Now we have a group where we receive daily plans and daily games, so you follow this plan daily. Now, stable profit of 3%. Mark my word, guys. Stable profit of 3% daily. Invest 100k. Invest what you can afford to lose, guys. But from this calculation here, I'm talking about if you invest 100k in 3 months. I'm not going to wait in 3 months. 100k investment every month, make withdrawal every month. That is what I do. I make withdrawal every month end, but something to add. So for 3 months here, the total profit will be 100. Am I correct? 133k for 3 months for 100k investment. So for 500k investment, total money will be 665k profit. So guys, and there's a minimum startup which is risk-free for every member. Minimum startup are advised to do. Our team, IFC team, we are the agency team of 86FB platform. The team and the platform are like the relationship between the members and the platform. It's just that our team is very large, therefore centralized management is required to achieve long-term cooperation, also to give back to every team member and agent. The team provides a capital preservation plan. Every member who follows the capital preservation plan will receive financial protection. For example, follow a capital preservation plan. If you lose, our team will reimburse you for the money you bet. Mark this word here, guys. For the money you bet, our team will reimburse you for the money you bet. But for sure, since I started, I have not lost I've not lost any game yet, and my money has increased. I'm going to show you guys my back office soon. The money you lose, our team will reimburse you for the money you bet. But if you bet on other football games, you are at your own risk and losses. Members who bet only 3,005 will not be a you will not be you mark my word here. Example, if you lose, you bet 100k. According to the team plan, the team will reimburse you 100k back. That is, if you are using 100k plan, you will reimburse you. But for people who start with 3,500 naira, there is no reimbursement there, guys. So reimbursement starts from 100k, 100,000 naira. So now let me take you guys to the registration procedure. This is my invitation code. You can mark this here, and this is my affiliate link. So I'm going to copy this. Just copy this. Copy this and take it to my browser and follow the registration procedure immediately. So you paste it on your address bar and you click enter. You can do everything on this platform from your phone. Now this is it. So it says 6 to 16 digits and later combine. So here will be your mobile number. Make sure it's +234. Then this is the automatic referral code, and here will be your user's name, here first, then password here, and agree. Click registration, and when you are done doing that, your account will be created immediately. And make sure here is Nigeria. So I'll come again. The first column here is your username. Second column here is your password. Here automatically, if you use my referral code, this is the code, invitation code here. So if you're not coming in through my team, fine, it's still okay, but you will not be able to get the games plan. Your mobile number, make sure if you're Nigerian, make sure you put Nigerian mobile cell phone here. Then you tick this, and you must be above 18. You registered. It's as simple as ABCD. You can download the app from your Play Store. So let's go to the. So guys, this is the app on my phone. 86 football. So this is my back office. I'll just show you guys. I started with 4,000 naira on the 1st of this month, March. This is what I have earned so far. 4,530 I have earned so far. Currently there's no game here. So if we have a plan from the team, you're going to see everything there. You can see my details here. You can see, you can download the app from their platform. It's now on Play Store for Android users and other this thing. So my next video will be how to fund. There's a trick we use on funding. I'm going to show you guys that. Affiliate and all of that details here. The market list are here. Today that is all market, and today currently as I'm doing this video, these are the markets. Our games comes from 11 a.m. in the morning. The next one comes around 4 a.m. in the afternoon, and the next third one comes around 9 p.m. in the evening, 4 p.m. in the evening, and 11 a.m. in the morning. So we have a WhatsApp group I'm going to drop my number in this description if you want to connect, so I can put on the WhatsApp group. You can be getting the games that we are playing on a daily basis. This is just how to register first of all, and I'm going to do a video how to fund, explain details compensation plan on how to make money from 1886 FB. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.